Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel Diecast Chronicles, and in today's video I'm going to uncut this Mercedes-Benz 300 SEL 6.8 AMG. So first look at the card art. The card art is fantastic, and this is from the new Hotwheels Premium Car Culture set, and this celebrates the 10th anniversary of car culture. And then this is from the series called Thrill Climbers. All the cars in this series is absolute bang on, and one of my personal favorites is this 515 Mercedes-Benz 300 SEL 6.8 AMG. Another fun fact is this is completely in black color. This looks like the chase. Hot Wheels would make the car culture chases in complete black color, and this is one of the example. Though this is not the chase, the chase in this set, I think it is the golden BMW. Correct me if I'm wrong in the comments. And we didn't get the chase in India. That is the sad part. Let me show you the back end details. So then the month and year of manufacturing is 11/20/25. The month and year of import is 12/20/25, and the MRP was 549. And then though there is that reduced MRP sticker, I still got it at the old price. And then there are other few cars in this set. The Mercedes that we are going to uncard now. You have the Porsche, then you have the Mitsubishi. So you had all these cars. And there was this one more car that I would want you to let me know in the comment which one was that other car in this set. So am I missing out on? And there was this Lancia. So I want you to tell which one was that other car in this set. And now without wasting time, let's uncard this beautiful bang on car. And as this is like the Hot Wheels Premium, it comes with metal body, metal base and rubber tires. So that is why you have the metal and real riders. And now let's uncard it. So I'm going to uncard it like a flap so that I can always keep it back inside and I can always play with it whenever I want. So do let me know in the comments if you have uncarded this beautiful casting, and do hit the subscribe button, and do not forget to like the video. So now let's uncard this. So I just have to be a bit careful. So this is Hot Wheels Premium, so it has that very strong intact plastic blister, and I have to be a lot careful because it can damage the car which is inside. And let me just, I think I have to go by slowly. It is there. So I'm just cutting it slowly there, so I can use it like a flap, and just a bit more to go. So in the meantime, do let me know in comments what do you think about this particular casting. So this I think this is the best in this set, and I love the casting here. So this side it's uncard, like this side it's open, and now this bit is left. So I have to be careful on the card art there because I want to preserve the card art and I want to display it on my wall. So that is another reason why I want to preserve it. So just a little bit more left, and I'm opening it like a flap here. So guys, do let me know in the comments which method do you actually use to uncard. Do you actually uncard it in the traditional way, or like you cannot use acetone here because this is laminated, so you cannot get it. So I think I have gone a bit too deep, but let me just open it here. Yes, I've gone a bit deep, but no problem. I'll be sure to like preserve the card art there. So almost it is in my hands now. And finally I have the beast in my hands. So actually, as I told you, the complete black Hot Wheels used to do it only for the chase, and luckily they have changed for the car culture anniversary. So now showing you the details here. Look at the amount of detailing in the front. It is such a beautiful car. You have all the details, and this is Hot Wheels Premium, so it comes with all the details. And this is the sides here. So this looks like the ultimate mafia car. Look at that mafia spec there. The black color is so cool. And not to miss the AMG written on the windshield in the front there. And then you can actually even have the wiper details. That is such a cool one. And let me show you the rear end. The rear end again comes with the painted tail lamp details, and there's that Mercedes-Benz logo there. So that is placed so well. And I would rate this car a 10 on 10 for this paint job. And look at the wheels again, it matches so well. One of the highlights is actually the wheels, guys. So wheels is such a beautiful thing here. And now let me show you the base here. So it reads Mercedes-Benz 300 SEL 6.8 AMG, and then this is 2020 metal, and then this is made in Thailand. This comes with metal body, metal base and rubber tires. And now let me just do the rolling test. So let's see how well it actually rolls. This is Hot Wheels Premium, so it comes with the rubber tires. So now let me just see. It actually rolls pretty decent, and I'm in love with this casting. It is such a beautiful casting, and I would give this a 10 on 10. And do let me know in comments what you think. It is quite heavy too, because obviously it comes with the metal body, metal base, and rubber tires. So look at this car. I've given you the 360-degree view, and I have given you my honest reviews. So do like, comment, and subscribe. Do check out my other videos. Follow us on Instagram. See you guys in my next video.